Hi, welcome all of you for the second part of the video lecture on the topic support reactions. In the first part, we have discussed about the concept of equilibrium and we have discussed about equations of equilibrium conditions, then support reactions. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about types of supports. In civil engineering structural elements, we are commonly using four types of supports. One is a simple support, then a second one roller support, then in support, or we can call it as pinned support. The last one is fixed support. Now we can discuss about one by one. First one is simple support. So simple support means, just observe this figure. Here we are having some vertical stones and horizontal stone. So this horizontal stone is just simply placed on the vertical one. This type of support we can call it as simple support. In the civil engineering structures, you just refer this figure. Here we are having one concrete element which is placed above the column, which is not connected to that. It is just simply supported over the other. This type of support we can call it as simple support. In two-dimensional figure, we can write the simple support like this. Here we are having two columns and above that one beam. There is no connection from beam to column. It is just placed one above the other. So for this beam, if I apply vertical force, the beam will not move in the y-axis because there is a restriction from this support. But if I apply horizontal force, it will move in the horizontal direction. If I apply a moment, it will rotate because there is no restriction for that. So we are having only restriction along the y-axis. If I draw the free body diagram for this beam and support, it will be look like this. I removed the support. It is having only one restriction component, that is B. If I name this support as A, the reaction component is only one, that is VA. Reaction for simple support is vertical. R is equal to 1. R means reaction. Second type of support is roller support. Take a look at this figure. Here we are having a steel girder which is placed on the pier with a roller support. This type of support is commonly used in the bridges and flyovers to account for the thermal expansion. Here also the slab, the deck slab is supported by the roller, and here also the same thing. So this is what we can call it as roller support. We can show the roller support like this or like this also. This type of support allow the body to rotate as well as to move along the surface, but it is having a restriction in the vertical direction. So we are having only one reaction at the support. It is similar to the simple support only one reaction. The reaction component for roller support is vertical, that is what R is equal to 1 ohm. Third type of support is in support, or we can name it as pinned support also. Here is the practical in support. Here we are having steel girder which is connected to the column by the in support. It will allow the structural element to rotate, but it will resist the horizontal movement and vertical movement. The best example for the in support is here. We are having a door which is connected to the door panel by the in support. So this in support, if I apply the horizontal force, it will not move. If I apply the vertical force, it will not move. But if I apply a moment, this door is going to rotate. So this type of support we can call it as in support. Here also another example of that in support. So here it is going to resist the movement in the horizontal direction and as well as the vertical direction, but it is going to allow the structural element to rotate. So the sketch for the in support will be here. or we can represent with like this also with the pin, with the hand having pin support. So this type of support will allow for the rotation, but it will restrict horizontal movement and it will restrict vertical movement. So we are having the reaction, horizontal reaction and vertical reaction. So R is equal to 2. Reactions are 2 for the hinge support. Now the last type of support is fixed support. It is the most commonly used type of support. Here we can see the steel element is fixed to the concrete retaining wall. Here also the same thing. We are having a steel element which is connected to the column by the bolt and nut, and it is also welded, which is fixed to the column. In the concrete structure also same thing. The concrete beam is fixed to the concrete column by using the reinforcement like this. This is how we will show the fixed support. This type of support will not allow the element to move in any direction, means it will not move in horizontal, it will not move in vertical, or it will not rotate. So means we are having three reaction components for fixed support. So that is HA and VA and momenta T. Three reaction components for fixed support. R is equal to 3. In the last, we can conclude we are having four types of support. First one is simple support. R is equal to 1, means only one reaction component for simple support. Second one is roller support. R is 1 only, means only one reaction component, that is vertical. And third one is hinge support. R is equal to 2, means reactions are 2. So here are the two reactions. One is horizontal component and vertical component. And lastly, the fourth one is fixed support. The reaction component for the fixed support is 3. R is equal to 3, means it will restrict along the horizontal direction, vertical direction and moment. These are the reaction components for different types of supports.